Chapter 4 Janan Karma Sannyas Yoga Divine Knowledge to Arjun. Arjun was amazed at the Karma Yoga revelations. It was a new knowledge for him. So, Krishna further clarified his sermon, saying, "O Parth, this yoga knowledge is very ancient. I had imparted this knowledge to sun god Surya first of all. Surya passed it on to original human Manu, who advanced it to King Ikshvaku of the earth. The same tradition carried it to ruling sages. They did karma but saved themselves from its consequences. It is a deep knowledge. O scourge of enemies, Arjun, I reveal it to you because you are my devotee as well as a friend. I materialize." The claim of Krishna further confused Arjun. He spoke, "O Keshav, Lord Surya came into existence millions of years before you were born. How should I believe that you really imparted the knowledge to him?" Then Krishna said, giving divine sight to Arjun, "O Arjun, we have been through together in many lifetimes. I remember, but you don't. I am eternal, being unborn, immortal, and the master of all the creatures who keeps on materializing from time to time through my Maya." In defense of faith, Arjun was still baffled. Krishna had described his birth as materialization. To clear his doubts, Krishna said, "O Bharat's descendant, whenever nobility and righteousness wane on the earth and sins prevail, then I take incarnation in physical form to deliver the faithful, to destroy the evil forces and re-establish the rule of righteousness in every age. For the sake of the faithfuls, I have to incarnate on the earth every now and then and destroy the evil. The birth of ordinary creature and my materialization has only that difference. O Arjun, one who understands my arrival and divine spectacles, he no more suffers from metempsychosis after death. He gets instituted in my immortal and infinite state. Follow your forebears. One who comes into my fold in whatever sentiment, he gets corresponding reward. O Parth, all creatures travel towards me wittingly or unwittingly. I do not wish for any reward of karma. So, one who truly knows me, he too does not bind himself to karma reward wishes. Understand it and follow your forebears who battle for dharma, the karma duty." Form of karma. O Keshav, you have referred to unattached karma several times before also. Arjun said and added, "But how do I know which karma is worth doing and not worth doing?" Krishna answered, "Arjun, complex are the aspects of karma. So, a living being must understand the forms of action, inaction, and ill action. The real action is what is prescribed or recommended by scriptural tenets. When such karma or action is performed without any desire or attachment, it does not bind the doer to consequences. Hence, Such action falls in the category of inaction, in spite of appearing to be an action. As this kind of action is beyond the considerations of joy or regret, victory or defeat, gain or loss, and good or bad, it gains the status of yajna. It delivers the doer from the bindings, begets blessings of deities, and gains him the god element. Krishna's exposition put Arjuna in thoughts. Yajna like karma. One who does his karma without infatuation, his karma gains the status of yajna. In the various exercises of yajna, God is envisioned, the doer also is seen as godlike, and the reward of the karma performed by him is also godly. Such yajna is not done by everyone. Some do it in the form of worship of deity. Some do soul yajna by seeing the non-discriminatory aspect of godly holy fire. So Arjun, yogis perform yajnas in several ways. Those who perform yajnas, they beget happiness in this life and gain endless joys in the afterworld. Glory of Janan. O Arjun, of all yajnas, the Janan yajna is the most sublime. After gaining Janan, in the fire of wisdom, all the karmas get burnt with the seeds of cause and fruit of consequences. But the knowledge needs to be gained from a learned one. Before him, you must put your curiosity with humility and frankness. O Pandava, after gaining this knowledge, you will not fall prey to attachments. O Bharat, have no doubts in your mind. Sever away all doubts with the sword of knowledge, having cutting edge of rational power. Vest yourself in the state of equanimous karma yoga and prepare for battle. Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.